With the spread of low-cost modules such as the ESP32 cam, the entry barrier for projects capable of recording audio, photos and videos has lowered considerably. With about 10–15 euros, it is now possible to buy a card with a 240 MHz ESP32 processor with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, microSD, and an OV2640 camera. Everything you need for time-lapse, video surveillance, nature camera traps, and so on. However, many users have complained about the poor quality of the images produced by such cheap sensors. Let's see in this video how to improve the situation by optimizing colors through the color correction matrix. The idea behind this technique is simple and used during the calibration of practically all commercial cameras. Take a picture of a reference color grid, and then see how far they differ. We will leave all the mathematical details to the Color Corrector software to correct our photos. Let's see in practice how this procedure works. First, create a picture with our module with and without a reference grid. The grid in question is called Color Checker Board, and it is possible to buy it for a few euros, link in description, or print it if you have a quality printer. Now download the Color Corrector software from the Microsoft Store, not free, but at a very affordable cost, link in description, and start it. Let's click on Load Reference Image, and choose the photo with the grid. WCUS, Optimization Space C-Lab, for more natural colors and trace with the mouse a rectangle around the reference grid, in order to overlap all the colored squares. ASA last step, let's click on Start Optimize Colors. After few seconds it will be possible to see a preview of the correction on the right pane. We'll click Stop Optimize Colors when satisfied. The software calculates the necessary corrections, which can be exported and implemented in your project to correct the photos in real time. With Correct an Image button we can apply the calculated correction to any image, even if it does not contain the grid. We can see how the original colors, source, are different from the references, targets, in the diagram at the top left of the software, and how the new optimized palette approaches the reference. From the tests performed, the photos are vivid and with better contrast, comparable to modern cameras in some cases.